This is a pretty new laptop and already has some issues about a hard drive. Comes up with the hard drive not found message. Doing a quick diagnostic to see what it will show. Gee, okay. He says it's all good. Short DST passed, smart check passed. Yet when you try to boot, yeah, boot device not found. Let's see what's really happened. Ultra 5, 16 gig. Okay. Secure boot disable. Boot fire external. F10 and go F9. We'll need to type in that security code. Apparently they tried to do factory reset, that also failed. Booting up an external with some software on it. Let's say let's use Macrium. This has no type C, interesting. Okay, let's have a look. So the Windows is there, we can see it. It's SK Hynix 512, oh I see. I don't know why you need drivers to make a trackpad work in this modern age and time. It's just horrible. These HID devices, they used to be much more simpler. Okay. Let's see. Factory reset has been attempted, which is bad news. They shouldn't have. There we go. This tells me they already wiped the system. Okay, this is great. I hope the files are there. So we're all working with the internal hard drive, by the way. Okay. I hope the files are there. Maybe we'll see Windows.old folder. No. Oh, no, it's empty. Well, go figure. Thank you, Microsoft. Okay. That's a shame. Well, they've done a factory reset. Anyway, we're gonna replace the hard drive because the way this one reacted, we're not happy with it. Better be safe than sorry later on. Let's have a look on the inside, what kind of a hard drive it's got. Should be an NVMe. Nothing fancy. It's a SK Hynix. That's the STI controller on it. Okay. SM controller. Sorry. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna put another 500 gig, do a new Windows install. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.